Here is how to pin Control Panel in Windows 11, so it is always one click away. Feel free to pause at any time. You can slow this down or speed it up with a playback speed setting, and turn subtitles on or off with the closed captions button. Method 1. Pin Control Panel to the Start menu. Press the Windows key and type Control Panel. Right-click the result at the top, then choose Pin to start. A tile is added to the pinned area, and you can drag it to the top row to keep it in view. Method 2. Pin Control Panel to the taskbar. Press the Windows key and type Control Panel. Right-click the result and choose Pin to taskbar. Windows adds the icon to your taskbar, and it stays there even after you close the window. Method 3. Create a desktop shortcut. Right-click an empty part of the desktop, choose New, then Shortcut. Type Control in the location box and click Next. Name it Control Panel, click Finish, and a double click opens it from the desktop. To remove a pin later, right-click the Start tile and choose Unpin from Start. Right-click the taskbar icon and choose Unpin from Taskbar, or delete the desktop shortcut. That's 3 ways to keep Control Panel one click away. For more Windows tips, visit our website in the description.